Rendering Overview. Welcome to the Rendering Overview tutorial for Keyshot. As a CPU-based real-time ray tracing application, Keyshot is not dependent on the graphics card for rendering calculation. This means, as you make changes to your materials, lighting, and camera, your image dynamically updates in real time, with the image quality improving as you leave it stable. If you like to quickly save up a real-time image without actually rendering it, that is, if you're on a deadline and I have to present on an immediate base, you can click on the screenshot button and the image will be saved to your Keyshot rendering folder. If you go to Edit, Preferences, General, you can specify the screenshot format and quality. You can also enable settings to ask where to save each screenshot and to save a camera with each screenshot. If we open the Windows Task Manager, we can see that Keyshot very efficiently uses 100% of the CPU usage. Keyshot is near linear in scale, so as the number of CPU usage increases, the faster the render time will be. So if you're building a machine or looking to upgrade the performance of your existing machine, the number of usage in your CPU will be your area of interest. If we pause Keyshot by pressing Shift plus P, we can see that the CPU usage is free now to run other applications. This is very important to know while running Keyshot simultaneously with other applications like CAD, Maya, SolidWorks, 3D Max, etc. These basic rendering principles help make Keyshot the easiest and the most powerful rendering tool for you and your 3D data. Thank you. Lesson 2. User Interface. Welcome to the User Interface tutorial for Keyshot. In order to understand the UI workflow in Keyshot, it is important to understand the directory structure and location of your Keyshot resources folder. To identify or change the location, go to Edit, Preferences, and Folders. Here you can specify location for all folders or customize for each individual folder, say to a server location. These folders correspond directly to the in-Keyshot library. This folder is the default location for other folders like materials, textures, environments, backplates, etc. Keyshot will automatically refer to these folders for scene assets while opening a bit file. The bit file is the format in which Keyshot files are saved. In order to ensure all assets are saved with your file if planning to share or opening on another machine, then save file as a package. Working with Keyshot, you can dramatically improve workflow efficiency by familiarizing yourself with the Hotkey List, which will appear when you press K. This list identifies to several features relating to UI, such as full screen mode, presentation mode, and the hotkeys for your toolbar. For example, toolbars will appear when you press T, library will appear when you press M, project will appear when you press space, and animation will appear when you press A. The following windows can be docked to organize your workflow by click, drag, and release by location identified by a blue box, or by double-clicking on the window header. Your toolbar can also be docked or floated, and by right-clicking you get the option to hide or change the size of the text of your toolbar icons. When working with complex scenes, press Alt plus P for Windows or Opt plus P for Mac for performance mode. This disables features such as shadows and ray bounces and makes it easier to apply materials and see what's going on in your real-time view. Another resourceful tool to be aware of is the Keyshot manual, which can be accessed under the Help menu. Refer to this for more detailed explanation of any topic that you face a problem with. Thank you.